All right, it's time for the ride of the night. It's time for ghosts and goblins to appear. This is the Haunted Mansion.
Very happy Halloween. I see y'all got all your magic picture boxes out. They're cameras. I know what they are. Don't think we don't know these things. All right, hang on. Let's give you a little pose. Okay, Broom.
You want my good side?
Broom.
Because I'm the butler.
Broom. Oh, enjoy the view from the second floor. The on the railing, though. Unless you want to hang out with us for eternity. All right, everybody.
I am your host, your ghost host. Our tour begins here in this gallery. Here where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now. Everest pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching, or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way.
Haunted Mansion at the Magic Kingdom. Oh my goodness, I love this ride. And I don't know why, but I think I may actually like this one even a little bit more than the one in California, except for when they do it up for the Nightmare Before Christmas. But I love this ride so much. I hope you guys were able to see some of it. It was, you know, extremely low light, but man, you can't beat the Haunted Mansion during Halloween time.